Now let's say if you want to access the values inside your dictionary. Let's say we want to access the values from this dictionary here. We may write, let's say, value equals to my dict, and then which value do we want to access? Let's say we want to access the name. Let's go ahead and print the value. So printing the value, so we are going to have marks. As you can see that we were able to access our elements inside our dictionary. Now what happens if we want to access the key which doesn't exist? For example, let's try to put last name here. We know that last name isn't in your dictionary, so what is going to happen? Let's go and save this. As if we try to print it here, see, we got key error that the dictionary doesn't have the last name, so we have to be careful there.